In today's video, I want to walk you through a successful Google ad campaign for a waterproofing and underpinning company that in the last 30 days has generated 64 leads. Hey guys, this is Dustin with ClicksGeek. Before we get started, if you can please click the thumbs up below, I'd greatly appreciate that. Also, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe for more great content like this. Now let's dive into this campaign. We have a current budget of $200 per day set. In this 30-day period, we have had 64 leads, 393 clicks, and then a cost per lead of $81.90, which is really good. Well below our maximum goal. And then we have a current conversion rate of 16.28%, so pretty good. And this will improve over time. And then we have a total cost of $5,241.48 on this campaign. So on this campaign, we're driving both leads and calls. So the consumer has the option to fill out the lead form on the page, or they can call from a landline or mobile device directly from the number that's on the landing page of the page. Let's take a look at the ad groups that we have for this campaign. So we have foundation repairs, leaky basements, basement underpinning, waterproofing Toronto, basement waterproofing, fixed basement leaks, fixing foundation cracks, waterproofing contractors, water in basement, waterproofing basement, and then these are driving the majority of the leads on this campaign. And then we currently have a bidding strategy of max conversions. So this campaign is so well dialed in, and the landing page is so dialed in that we're able to run max conversions on this campaign. So let's take a look at the keywords that we're using. So we're using some broad match, phrase match, exact match. So foundation repair, Toronto, waterproofing contractors, basement waterproofing, underpinning, Hamilton, leaking basement, waterproof basement, wet basement, underpinning Toronto. And then these are driving the majority of the conversions here. So if you're interested in having our company build a successful campaign like this for your business, please reach out to us by using the application link that's just down in the description below this video. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.